Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be learning about psychology. So what is psychology? Psychology is the study of minds and behaviors. There is a difference in how people think of the subject psychology. Back then, in the Industrial Revolution, it used to be more about social science. However, we focus more on the science part now. Psychology has become very materialistic and is based in biology. Next, we are going to discuss who you are, meaning your identity. So, have you ever wondered why are you the way you are? The answer to this is nature and nurture. Through both factors, we shape our personalities. Nature means to be born that way, while nurture is how many environmental variables affects a person, including their experiences in early childhood, family and social relationships, culture, and community. Every behavior is multiple determined. It's a mix of biological, psychological, and social factors. Next, we are going to discuss the perspectives in psychology. It is divided into 7 categories. Biological,
Cognitive,
Psychodynamic,
behaviorism,
Evolutionary,
humanistic,
sociocultural.
Biological perspective is all about the brain. Therapist uses electric or chemical process to control behaviors. For example, mirtazapine is an antidepressant approved for the treatment of major depression disorder. Prozac is also an effective medication for treating depression as well as other conditions such as obsessive-compulsive disorder. The cognitive perspective focuses on how internal thoughts and feelings influence one's behavior. Psychodynamic theories focus on the psychological drives and forces within individuals that explain human behavior and personal, which focused on the unconscious mind as the source of psychological distress and dysfunction. Behaviorism learning theory is a branch of psychology that focuses on how people learn through their interactions with the environment. Through training, behaviors can be changed. Evolutionary psychology is inspired by the work of Charles Darwin and applies his ideas of natural selection to the mind, a set of psychological adaptations that were made in order for our ancestors to survive in their environment. For example, fatty, sweet food provide lots of energy for survival. Humanistic psychology focuses on potential, growth, and happiness. Unconditional positive regard is a concept developed by Standel in 1954, later popularized by the humanistic psychologist Carl Rogers in 1956. Sociocultural theory stresses the role that social interaction plays in psychological development, focuses on the change in behavior over time. The sociocultural perspective is one approach to understanding why humans behave the way they do. This is the end of the video. Please stay tuned for more videos.